Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a product that every cat owner should consider adding to their home, the MECOOL Cat Scratching Post. We found this fantastic product and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The MECOOL Cat Scratching Post is a premium quality scratching solution designed specifically for kittens and smaller cats. Standing at a height of 22 inches, this scratching post is perfect for those little furballs that love to stretch and scratch. It features a weighted MDF base and top covered in plush carpet, ensuring stability and durability. The natural Sisal hemp used in its construction is 100% safe and designed to withstand even the most enthusiastic scratching sessions. One of the standout features of this scratching post is its ability to protect your furniture. We all know how much cats love to scratch, and without an appropriate outlet, they might turn their attention to your beloved couch or chair. The MECOOL Scratching Post is designed to attract cats with its grab sticks and plush toys, encouraging them to play and scratch on the post instead of your furniture. This simple solution can save you from costly damages and help maintain the aesthetic of your living space. Another great aspect of this scratching post is its neutral beige color, which fits seamlessly into any home decor, whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or home office. This makes it not just a practical addition but also a stylish one that won't clash with your interior design. What's also worth mentioning is how easy it is to assemble. The MECOOL Cat Scratching Post comes with all the necessary tools and instructions, so you won't have to struggle to put it together. Simply screw all the parts together, and you're ready to go. If you do have any questions during the assembly process, the customer service team is available to help. Now, you might be wondering who this scratching post is suitable for. Given its dimensions, the MECOOL Scratching Post is ideally designed for kittens or smaller cats. If you're a new cat parent with a playful little kitten, this product is a must-have. It's also perfect for smaller adult cats who enjoy a good scratch, climb, or playful hangout. In terms of practical use cases, this scratching post serves various purposes. For instance, it provides a safe space for your kitten to scratch and stretch without damaging your furniture. Additionally, it can serve as a fun play area. The hanging ball encourages interactive play, keeping your kitty engaged and entertained. It's also a great way to promote healthy scratching behavior, which is essential for their claw maintenance and overall well-being. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish scratching post that caters specifically to kittens or smaller cats, the MECOOL Cat Scratching Post is an excellent choice. Its premium materials, thoughtful design, and ease of assembly make it a standout product in the realm of pet supplies. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the